What is it? Betty, go look. What is it? Who is that? It's baby Nani. Come here. Let's pull it out. It's Nani's book. Look. It's baby Betty and Nani. Here. Oh, wow. Nani. Baby Nani. Oh, and is that baby Betty? Here, we'll put Nani's down. Oh, yes, Veronica. You ripped it. All right. Oh, wow. Yep, you already pulled a few pages out because you're wrong. Oh, what's that? Is there a newspaper in there? Oh, wow. Here, let's look at Betty's book.